The PAX extension identifies a portable archive exchange file containing archived files in the POSIX standard archive format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract, create, or troubleshoot these standardized archive files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading PAX file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. PAX files are archive files following the POSIX-PAX interchange format, a standardized file archiving format that extends traditional tar with enhanced metadata support. They store file collections with preserved permissions, timestamps, and extended attributes for Unix system backups. PAX archives use a POSIX-standardized format with extended headers supporting long file names, large file sizes, and extended attributes. They are backwards compatible with tar archives while adding support for Unicode file names and additional metadata fields. Igor Pavlov defines 7-zip as the main handler for PAX files. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows offers only basic recognition, so full extraction must be done with dedicated archive software. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the PAX file and select Open With. If 7-zip is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your PAX file will not open yet, do not panic. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the PAX file. First, extracting files. On Linux or macOS, use the PAX command by running PAX rf archive.pax to extract all files. The tar command also reads PAX archives as they share format compatibility. On Windows, use 7-zip, which supports PAX archive extraction. Next, creating PAX archives. Create PAX archives using PAX wf archive.pax files on Unix systems. The PAX format is specified by adding /xpax flag. PAX archives preserve extended attributes, ACLs, and long file names better than traditional tar for cross-platform archiving. Finally, using with tar. Modern tar implementations read and write PAX format automatically. Run tar xf archive.pax to extract PAX archives. GNU tar creates PAX format by default for files with long names or extended attributes. PAX provides the most portable archive format across Unix systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.